Hi students, welcome to 10th standard Max Mensuration 7. How are you? Hope you are fine at home. Today I am going to explain some questions on solid and combination of solids. Let us move on to the first question. A cylindrical container is filled with ice cream whose diameter is 12 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters. The whole ice cream is distributed to 10 children in equal cones having hemispherical tops. If the height of the conical portion is twice the diameter of its base, find the diameter of ice cream cone. Find the diameter of ice cream cone. So what is the given question? A cylindrical container is filled with ice cream whose diameter is 12 centimeter and height is 15 centimeters. This is the first solid cylinder. So diameter is 12 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters. The whole ice cream is distributed to 10 children in equal cones having hemispherical tops. It's the other concept, cone and hemisphere, cone and hemisphere. But a cylinder contains ice cream. The ice cream is shaped into cones and hemispherical shapes. Cones and hemispherical shape. Height of the conical portion is twice the diameter of its base. Find the diameter of ice cream cone. This is the given question. We are going to analysis. So based on the question, this is easier, difficulter, hard. Difficulty level medium, because given question is depend on cylinder, cone and hemisphere. So known by given. So what is the given data? The height of the conical portion is twice the diameter of its base. This is the main concept. The height of the conical portion, is twice the diameter of its base. And diameter of the cylinder, equals to 12 centimeters. So the relation between diameter and radius, diameter equals to 12 and radius equals to half of the diameter. So 12 by 2, 6 centimeters. Next, height of the cylinder, h is equals to 15 centimeters. Next one, unknown. So what is the unknown? Diameter of ice cream cone. This is the unknown value. So now I have to find diameter of ice cream cone. Reasoning means, so which one is suitable for given question? So which formula is applicable to given question? So volume of ice cream cone is equals to volume of conical portion plus volume of hemispherical portion. So what is the given condition? Volume of ice cream cone. So ice cream cone and hemispherical. So here volume of ice cream cone is dependent on volume of conical portion plus volume of hemispherical portion. So do you know formula for volume of cone and hemisphere? So volume of cone equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h and volume of hemisphere equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is the given cylindrical shape. Height equals to 15 centimeters and base diameter equals to 12 centimeters. So write down the formula. Volume of cone. V1 is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square. Volume of cone. But actually volume of cone V. But already 3 figures are given: cylinder, cone and hemisphere. So have to represent volume 1, volume 2 and volume 3. So volume of cone V1 equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. And second one, volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere V2 is equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder V3 is equals to pi r square h. Pi r square h. Solution. Coming to solution part. So write down the data. Let the radius of the base of conical ice cream is x, because based on the question, radius of base of conical ice cream equals to x. Conical ice cream equals to x centimeters. The diameter equals to 2x. Based on the condition, diameter equals to 2x. Diameter equals to 2x centimeters. Height of the conical ice cream. Height of the conical ice cream is equals to twice its diameter. Twice its diameter means 2 into diameter. 2 into diameter. So 2 into what is the value of diameter? 2x. Now write down the next step. 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x. So 2 into 2x, 4x. We get 4x centimeters. So height of the conical ice cream. Height of the conical ice cream equals to 4x centimeters. Are you clear? Now next one. Here volume of ice cream cone. Volume of ice cream cone is depend on volume of conical portion plus volume of hemispherical portion. So volume of ice cream cone is dependent on volume of cone or volume of conical portion plus volume of hemispherical portion. So next step, volume of cone. So volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemispherical portion or volume of hemisphere equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube is completely volume of ice cream cone. So volume of ice cream cone equals to volume of conical portion plus volume of hemispherical portion. Already you know values of pi and r and h also. Pi value 22 by 7 or r value r. So r is dependent on radius of cone and h is radius of height of the cone plus 2 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 and r cube. So here r represents radius of the hemisphere. Radius of the hemisphere. Now next step. 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. So look at the diagram. Here height of conical portion. Height of conical portion is equals to 4x. 4x. Okay. 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square. R represents radius. Here radius equals to x. Radius equals to x. 1 by 3 pi r square. So replace the value in the given formula. 1 by 3 pi r means x. R square means x square. H represents 4x centimeters. H represents 4x. 1 by 3 pi r square means x square into h means 4x plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 into pi into r. So r represents radius of the hemisphere. Here radius of the hemisphere and radius of cone also same. So r cube means x cube. Now what do you observe? So any common factor or any common values? Coming to next step. Here 1 by 3 pi x square 4x plus 2 by 3 pi x cube. 1 into pi x square into 4x means 1 into pi 4x into x square 4x cube. This is written as 4 pi x cube. 4 into 1 4 pi x square into x cube. 4 pi x cube by 3 plus 2 into pi x cube 2 pi x cube by 3. So at the denominator 3. These two are like fractions. So it's impossible. So what the LCM? LCM 3. LCM 3. So write down the LCM. After that, you have to write the denominator directly. So LCM 3. LCM 3. What is your first numerator? 4 pi x cube plus second numerator 2 pi x cube. 4 pi x cube plus 2 pi x cube. Total value 6 pi x cube. 6 pi x cube because 4 pi plus 2 pi 6 pi. Here x cube x cube. These are all like terms. 4 pi x cube plus 2 pi x cube 6 pi x cube by 3. Write down the next term. 6 pi x cube by 3. So these two are divisible by same table. 3 ones are 3 2s are. 2 pi x cube. What is the next step? 2 pi x cube centimeter cube. This is the volume of cone. Volume of cone means volume of conical portion. Now next step, diameter of the cylinder. Diameter of the cylinder. So what is given diameter of cylinder? Diameter equals 12. Diameter equals to 12. And height is equals to 15 centimeters. So diameter of the cylinder 12 and the height h is equals to 15. Therefore, volume of cylindrical container V3 is equals to pi r square h. So this is the given cylinder. Diameter equals 12 centimeters and height is equals to 15 centimeters. So diameter equals 12, then radius equals to 6 centimeters. So replace radius and height in the given formula. V3 equals to pi into r square means 6 centimeter whole square into h. H means 15 centimeter. Right on the next step. V3 is equals to pi into pi r square h. Pi into r square means 6 centimeter whole square into h. H means 15 centimeters. Now next step, V3 equals to pi into 6 centimeter whole square means 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter, 36 centimeter square into 15 centimeter. Right to the next step. V3 is equals to pi into 6 centimeter whole square means 36 centimeter square into 15 centimeter. Now next step, what are the numerical values here? 36 into 15. 36 into 15, 540 into pi into centimeter square into centimeter, centimeter cube. Are you clear? This is the volume of cylindrical container. Right on the next step. V3 is equals to 36 into 15, 540 into pi into centimeter square into centimeter, centimeter cube. It's the volume of cylindrical portion. Now next step, number of children. Number of children to whom ice cream is given equals to 10. The next step, volume of cylindrical container. Volume of cylindrical container by volume of one ice cream cone is equals to 10. So what is the volume of cylindrical container? 540. Right, the next step. Volume of cylindrical container equals to 540 pi centimeter cube. Volume of one ice cream cone is equals to 2 pi x cube is equals to 10. Is equals to 10. So next one, cross multiplication. 10 represents 10 by 1. 540 pi into 1, 540 pi is equals to 2 pi x cube into 1, 2 pi x cube into 10. Okay. Next step. 2 pi x cube into 10. 2 pi x cube into 10 is equals to 540 pi. 540 pi. Okay. Now next step, find x cube. X cube is equals to 540 pi by 2 pi into 10. 2 pi into 10. Otherwise Here pi and pi are equal terms. Pi and pi are equal terms. So both sides equal terms cancel. Pi cancel. So what are the remaining? 2x cube into 10 is equals to 540. Now x cube is equals to 540 by 2 into 10. 540 by 2 into 10. Okay. Now 0 0 cancel. 0 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2, 27 are. 2 ones are 2, 27 are. So what is the value of x cube? X cube equals to 27. X cube equals to 27. X cube equal to 27. Now 27 is written as 3 whole cube. 3 whole cube. Next step, x cube is equals to 3 cube. Now what do you observe? Here x cube equals to 3 cube. So exponents are equal, then base also. What is the value of base? X is equals to 3. X equals to 3. So x is equals to 3. Now therefore diameter of ice cream cone is equals to 2x. Diameter of ice cream cone equals to 2x. So what is the value of x? X equals to 3. So 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. Now diameter of ice cream cone equals to 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. But conclusion, so diameter is equals to 6 centimeters. Next one, we are going to next question. Question number 2. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeters is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeters. Find the height of the cylinder. What is the given question? A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeters. Find height of the cylinder. So here given solids are sphere and cylinder. Sphere and cylinder. So sphere converted to cylinder. Now what do you observe? Volume of sphere equals to volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere equals to volume of cylinder. So we are going to analysis. So based on the question, analysis is difficulty level medium, because given solids are sphere and cylinder. So what is the known? What is the given data? Radius of the metallic sphere is 4.2 and radius of the cylinder is 6 centimeters. So what is the unknown value? Unknown value is height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. Reasoning. So reasoning means which formula is suitable for the given question. Reasoning. A metallic sphere is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder, then their volumes must be same. So sphere is converted into cylinder. Volume of sphere equals to volume of cylinder. These two are same. Now volume of the sphere is equals to volume of the cylinder. So do you know formula for volume of sphere and volume of cylinder? Volume of sphere equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the cylinder equals to pi r square h. So draw the given solids. This is the sphere. Radius equals to 4.2 centimeters and cylinder radius equals to 6 centimeters. Now sphere is melted and recast into cylindrical shape, but actual radius of the sphere is 4.2 and cylinder radius of the cylinder equals to 6 centimeters. Now we have to find height of the cylinder. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. V1 equals to pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder V1 is equals to pi r square h. Volume of sphere. Volume of sphere V2 is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Solution. Coming to solution part. Radius of sphere sphere R is equals to 4.2 centimeters. Radius of cylinder R is equals to, already two solids are given. So first radius is represented by R1 and second one is represented by R2. Radius of the hemisphere R1 equals to 4.2 centimeters. Radius of the cylinder R2 is equals to 6 centimeters. Let height of the cylinder is equals to x. Now volume of the sphere is equals to volume of the cylinder. Write down the formula and after that replace the values. Volume of sphere is equals to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube is equals to volume of cylinder pi r2 square h. Actually pi r square h, but here two radii are given, radius of sphere and radius of cylinder. So first radius is r1 and second radius is r2. 4 by 3 pi r1 cube is equals to pi r2 square h. Now next step, 4 by 3 pi r1 cube equal to pi r2 square h. Here both sides equal terms of pi cancel. Pi cancel. What the remaining value? 4 by 3 r1 cube is equals to r2 square h. Now we have to find height of the cylinder. Now next step, 4 by 3 r1 cube equals to r2 square h. So 3 in denominator place, move opposite side, multiplied by r square into h. This is written as 4r1 cube is equals to 3 into r2 square h. Now h is equals to, so h in multiplication place. Now 3 r2 square is divided by 4 r1 cube. Now h is equals to, h is written as 4 r1 cube by 3 r2 square h. So transposing 3 r2 square in RHS place. So transpose 3 r2 square from RHS to LHS. So this is the multiplication position. So convert into LHS, it becomes division. 4 r1 cube by 3 r2 square h. Now replace the value of r1 and r2. H is equals to 4 into r1 cube, 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 by 3 r square, 3 into r square, r2 square, or r2 represents radius of the cylinder, 6 into 6, 6 into 6. Cancellation, 3 ones are 3 1.4. So actually 3 into 3 14s. So already 4.2 decimal value, 3 ones are 3 1.4. And 6 and 4.2, 6 ones are 6 7s. So this is decimal value. 6 into 6 ones are 6 0.7, and 6 ones are 6 0.7. That is the next step. H is equals to 4 into 3 ones are 3 1.4. 6 ones are 6 0.7. 6 ones are 6 0.7. What the remaining value is? 4 into 1.4 into 0.7 into 0.7. Next step, 4 into 1.4 into 0.7 into 0.7, we get 2.744 approximately. 2.744. Here h represents height of the cylinder. So what the value of height of the cylinder? 2.74 or 2.744. Therefore, height of the cylinder so formed will be 2.74 centimeters. What the height of the cylinder? 2.74 centimeter approximately. So let us move on to the next problem. Question number 3. A metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters So here three spheres are given. First radius of the sphere 6 centimeters, and second radius of the sphere 8 centimeters, and third one 10 centimeters are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. So what is the given question? Three small spheres are given. These three spheres are melted and recast into one large sphere. One large sphere. Find a radius of the large sphere. Here, three spheres, volume of three spheres, small spheres is equals to volume of resulting sphere or volume of large sphere. These two are equal. Okay. Coming to analysis. So based on the question, this is medium level. So given solids are spheres and large sphere. Large sphere, both are spheres. Coming to analysis. Difficulty level, medium, known by given. So what is the given data? Radii of three metallic spheres are 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. Unknown. So what is the unknown value? The radius of the resulting sphere, the radius of the large sphere. Reasoning. So three metallic spheres are melted and recast into a single solid sphere. Then sphere formed by recasting these spheres will be same in volume as the sum of the volumes of these spheres. Now what do you observe? Volume of the resulting sphere or volume of the large sphere is equals to sum of the volumes of three spheres. Are they clear? Volume of resulting sphere equals to sum of volumes of three spheres, small spheres. So coming to solution. So before going to solution, write the formula. So what is the volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here three small spheres are given. So we have to represent R1, R2 and R3. This is the given spheres 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Volume of sphere V is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is the formula for volume of sphere? V is equals to 4 by 3 into pi r cube. Coming to solution part. Radius of first sphere R1 is equals to 6 centimeters. Radius of second sphere R2 is equals to 8 centimeters. Radius of third sphere R3 is equals to 10 centimeters. Radius of first sphere R1 equals to 6 centimeters. Radius of second sphere R2 is equals to 8 centimeters. Radius of third sphere R3 is equals to 10 centimeters. Let radius of the resulting sphere or radius of the new sphere, radius of the large sphere is equals to r centimeter. Volume of resulting sphere is equals to sum of volumes of the spheres. Volume of the resulting sphere or new sphere is equals to sum of volumes of three spheres. Now replace the values in the given formula. Coming to the next step. This is the small r1, small r2, this is the small r3. These are represents small spheres. These three small spheres melted and recast into one large sphere. Radius of large sphere equals to or new sphere equals to r. So volume of resulting sphere equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here volume of resulting sphere or volume of new sphere is equals to sum of volumes of three spheres. Sum of volumes of three small spheres. So what is the formula for sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. First sphere, first small sphere, plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. Here r1, r2, r3 represents small spheres. Sphere 1, sphere 2 and sphere 3. Next step, 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to 4 by 3 pi into 4 by 3 pi into. So what is the common factor here? 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi common. That is the common factor 4 by 3 pi. After that, what is the remaining? R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. Right on the R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. Next step, 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to 4 by 3 pi into R1 means radius 1, 6 centimeter whole cube, R2 8 centimeter whole cube, R3 10 centimeter whole cube. Here, this is the equation, LHS and RHS. Both are having equal terms. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. What are the equal terms? 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. What is the remaining? R cube. R cube equals to R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. Next step, R cube is equals to, are you clear? Here equal terms 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. Remaining R cube is equals to R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. Next step, R cube is equals to R1 radius 1, 6 centimeter cube plus R2 8 centimeter cube plus R3 10 centimeter cube. Now next step, R cube is equals to 6 centimeter whole cube, 6 centimeter whole cube. 6 centimeter whole cube means 6 into 6 into 6, 216 centimeter cube. 8 centimeter whole cube means 8 into 8 into 8, 512 centimeter cube plus 10 centimeter whole cube, 10 into 10 into 10, 1000 centimeter cube. So 6 centimeter whole cube, R2 cube, 8 centimeter whole cube, R3 cube, 10 centimeter whole cube. 6 centimeter whole cube means 6 into 6 into 6, 216. 8 centimeter whole cube means 8 into 8 into 8, 512 centimeter cube. 10 centimeter cube means 10 into 10 into 10, 1000 centimeter cube. Okay. Next step, R cube is equals to 216 plus 512 plus 1000 is equals to 1728. 1728 centimeter cube. R cube equals to, so 1728 is written as cubical form. R cube is equals to 12 centimeter whole cube. 1728 written as 12 into 12 into 12. Now R cube is equals to 12 centimeter whole cube. What is the value of R? Here radius R equals to 12 centimeters. Here R represents radius of the resulting sphere. Radius of the resulting sphere. So R equals to 12 centimeters. Therefore, a radius of the sphere so formed will be 12 centimeters. So what is the value of radius of the sphere? Radius of the new sphere, resultant sphere, 12 centimeters. Coming to next question. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. A 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meters by 14 meters. Find the height of the platform. So what is given solids here? 20 meter deep well. So well in the shape of a cylinder. This is the first solid. With the diameter 7 meters is dug and the earth from digging. So after digging, we get sanded mud. Sanded mud. The sand or mud spread evenly. Now we get a platform. A platform. So what the measurements of platform? 22 meters length and 14 meters breadth. Find the height of the platform. So here given solids are cylinder and cuboid. Cylinder and cuboid. So 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meters dug, and the earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meters by 14 meters. Find height of the platform. So cylinder depth height is equal to 20 meters. Diameter equals to 7 meters. Diameter equals 7, then radius equals to 7 by 2 or 3.5. So the mud or sand is spread out evenly. Now we get a platform. The platform is the shape of a cuboid. What is the measurement of cuboid? 22 into 14. Find height of the cuboid. So height of the platform. That height of the platform equals to h. Now what do you observe here? Volume of cylinder or volume of cylindrical shape sand or mud is equals to volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. So first of all, we are going to analysis. Based on the question, this is medium level because given solids are cylinder and cuboid. So volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h. Volume of cuboid equals to length into breadth into height. So coming to analysis. Difficulty level medium. Known by given. Depth of the well is 20 meters and diameter is 7 meters. Length of the platform is 22 meters and the breadth is 14 meters. What is unknown value? Unknown equals to the height of the platform. Unknown equals to height of the platform. Reasoning. So reasoning, the shape of the well will be cylindrical and the soil evenly spread out to form a platform will be in a cuboidal shape. Cuboidal shape. The shape of the well will be cylindrical and soil evenly spread out to form a platform will be in a cuboidal shape. So write down the formula. These two are given shape. This is the well, cylindrical shape well, and this is the platform. This is the platform. So platform contains soil. Length of the soil and breadth of the soil given. Find height of the soil. Depth of the cylinder or height of the cylinder, diameter of the cylinder given. Okay, write down the data. First of all, write the formula. Therefore, volume of the soil dug from the well we will be equal to the volume of soil evenly spread out to form a platform. Okay, this is the main concept. Therefore, volume of the soil dug from the well, we will be equal to the volume of soil evenly spread out to form a platform. So volume of cylindrical portion equals to volume of cuboidal portion because sand is spread out evenly. Or soil spread out evenly. Now coming to formula. Volume of soil dug out from the well. Volume of the soil dug out from the well is equals to volume of the soil used to make such platform. Means volume of cylindrical well equals to volume of volume of the cuboidal platform or cuboid shape platform. Volume of the cylindrical well equals to volume of the cuboidal shape platform or cuboidal platform. So volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h or volume of cuboid equals to length into breadth into height. Coming to solution part. Volume of cylinder V1 equals to pi r square h. Volume of cuboid V2 equals to length into breadth into height. So coming to solution. Depth of the cylinder. or height of the cylinder, h is equals to 20 meters. 20 meters. Radius of the cylinder, r equals to 7 by 2 or 3.5 or 3.5. So diameter 7, radius equals to half of the diameter, 7 by 2 or 3.5. Length of the cuboidal platform, L is equals to 22 meters. Breadth of the cuboidal platform, B equals to 14 meters. Let height of the cuboidal platform, h is equals to h. Length given 22, breadth 14. Let height of the cuboidal platform h. Volume of cylindrical well, equals to volume of cuboidal platform. Okay. Next step. Volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h is equals to volume of cuboid equals to or cuboidal shape platform equals to length into breadth to height, So pi means 12 by 7. R, radius of the cylinder, diameter equals 7, radius equals to 7 by 2 or 3.5. H equals to 20. Here length equals to and breadth equals to and find height. So replace the values in the given formula. Pi means 22 by 7. R square, radius of the cylinder, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. R square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Height h equals to 20. Is equals to length equals to length of the platform 22 centimeters into breadth 14 centimeters into height h, 22 into 14 into height. So have to find value of h. Now cancellation. 7 cancel. 2 ones are 2 11s are cancel. 2 ones are 2 10s are cancel. What is the next step? 11 into 7 into 10. 7 cancel. 2 ones are 2, 11s are 2 ones are 2, 10s are. What the remaining? 11 into 7 into 10 is equals to 22 into 14 into h. How to find value of h? H in RHS place. So transfer 22 and 14 from RHS to LHS. We get 11 into 7 into 10 by 22 into 14. What the next step? H is equals to 11 into 7 into 10 whole by 22 into 14. Now 11 ones are 11 twos are 11 ones are 11 twos are 7 ones are 7 twos are 7 twos are again 2 ones are 2 5s are. What is the next step? H is equals to 11 ones are 11 twos are 11 ones are 11 twos are 7 ones are 7 twos are. What the remaining value? 10 by 2 into 2. 10 by 2 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 5s are. Remaining value 5 by 2 or 2.5. Next step, h is equals to 5 by 2 or 2.5 centimeters. So what is the value of height of the platform? H is equals to 2.5 meters. Now therefore the height of such platform will be 2.5 meters. Okay. In the next section we will discuss some combination of solids. Okay children, thank you.